Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to share music on Instagram Notes. So to share notes, actually you need to click on this option, Instagram DM. Click on this, and here, if you observe, there is an option like your note here. All above the DMs, you will find this option here. But in order to have music on that, if you tap on this to add the music notes here, you should get this symbol. If this symbol is not there, I will make a video why there is no symbol for you, means why there is no option for music notes on this music option on this Instagram Notes. What we can do for to get that, I'll drop the link in the description. I'll make a video and drop in the description. And as of now, you can write any notes. Hi all, how are you? Something like that. Absolutely a short note. And to add music to it, tap on the symbol. And you can browse from this, and or you can search from this here. Search music here. You can search with the song name or the music name, whatever it may be. Just tap on the music or audio file or the song. Just tap on it. Now you need to tap on the tick mark, means we are saying it okay, this file can be added, this music file can be added to this note. Or if you want to change it, you need to click on this crossbar so that it gets removed. Again, you can search, and you can place that and see here to whom this note should appear. Means there are two options. Followers, you follow back, means if you click this option, mutual followers, means the people who you follow and the people whom you follow your account will be able to see these notes. Or you can change it to close friends also. Close friends, you can add some people here by clicking on this drop down here, clicking on this drop down. And see here right side, if you click this radio buttons, those people will be able to see these notes. Okay, as of now, you can just check this, and you can click on the share at right top corner. Click on share. Yes, that is shared. This is the easiest way of sharing music to Instagram Notes. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.